Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nico's Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex forecast. But before I go there, I just want to keep you updated about the results because I didn't record video for some time. It's only because I moved from one apartment to another, so this is crazy time for me. I have a lot of personal things, so simply I don't have much time. And but as you can see, our account is still going up, maybe not so great results, but it's only 2 months of trading. There is also, and keep in mind that this is just the one simple strategy combination with the 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart without too much effort in front of the chart. So basically we pay attention for the 3 months results in this strategy, but this strategy is really for everyone, because without pressure you can slowly build your account, and then you can add another strategies like a bounce trading, which is more aggressive, what like also day trading with the Renko. But then you need to have simply more time to follow this. So I just want to keep it simple, so you start to believe in yourself in trading, and then you can start to add another strategies. I also missed some good trades. It's only because I was away. So the results will be definitely better, but keep in mind the goal is to steady grow the account for long-term perspective. Then you can, again, if you are good at this, you build confidence, you can learn another things, or you can always increase the risk to get better results. Okay, so if you're interested to learn more strategies, or you are interested in this strategy, you can visit my one-on-one mentorship program. Below this video you will find the link. Of course, you can leave your name and email here, and I will get back to you. We can have free call, so I'll answer all your questions. And if you sign up to my program, you also get access to the Nikos Trading Academy online materials together with my live trading room, and of course, we will cover here three major aspects of trading, which is technical part, planning part, plus mindset part. And in this way, you will be prepared to trade by your own. And all the steps, we will, of course, figure it out together, and you'll get all details, how to trade, where to place stop loss, how to manage positions, how to follow your trading plan, trading journals, and also how to work with the mindset in between while you trade. Okay, so now let's go to some pairs. First is Euro Yen. It's interesting more for like a bounce trade opportunities. Why? We have area of the support where price is rejecting, was rejecting, and we also have this trend line here. So price stuck between those two levels for now. So there is a chance that price might bounce and react. Of course, we never know what reaction will be. It might, of course, continue to this, then react again and stuck to here, or will be smaller reaction and then breaks, and still price will push up. On the monthly chart, we are still, as you can see, it's making long 1 to 3, so we can still make this, okay, to the previous top. We will see. So this is the approach. If price break the trend line, the next area of the resistance is up here together with the spike, so we can leave it in the middle because this is always a zone. So as you can see, we have this trend line which give us opportunity to look for short bounce entries. Aggressively, what we would like to do is to wait a little bit for another retest, and then if we get rejection, we can enter this trade. More conservative way of trading is of course always the same. We draw the line after trend line breakout. You can look for possible short scenarios, 1 to 3s, to take more conservative entries to target the previous bottom, if of course price decide to go down, because like I said, or we get bounce and price will push, or we will get bounce reactions. Maybe price will create a higher low and then continuations, or again higher low, bounce, and something like that. So like here, you see, price did that, this, and then continue. Just that's why we do top-down approach to understand more or less possible scenarios. So this is euro yen, euro dollar, still very strong up move. The resistance is here, as you can see on the weekly chart. Next area is higher, and also the next, of course, will be on the previous stops. If we go to daily chart, price currently stopped. Yes, this is the resistance. So we wait to see what will happen. In between, of course, there is a trend line here. We can look for possible retracements. For the swing trading, of course, we need to wait for this area to retest 36 trend line. We will be looking to buy it on the lower time frames. Currently price stays here. Make this 4-hour chart long scenario, but the question is what will happen if there is a weakness and price starts to break this area here. We can look for short entries because maybe we'll get deeper retracement to this level, which is interesting for us for buy. Okay, this is the option on the lower time frames. 4-hour chart, sorry, 1-hour chart. No, again, I wouldn't trade 1 hour as long as we are in between. If you have to, price is making long 1 to 3. If you see momentum to go up, this is what you can do. If price reject this zone, you can draw trend line after breakout of this line, short scenarios to target what? This zone. Okay, so this is like a for more day trading, scalping. Some people like to do it, so this is the way in this case. Okay, GBP New Zealand dollar, very nice, beautiful uptrend on the weekly chart. This is our trend line. If we look for the next area of the resistance, currently price is hitting the resistance. The next one, very visible, will be here for me. Let me just scroll back because we need to. So something here, it's nice and visible for me. So we still have a lot, yes, around 800 pips. In between on the weekly, I don't see nothing special because price currently is, yeah. So price retested this area. So the next one for me is here. So if I go back, as you can see, price is right now retesting this. Okay. So of course, after retracements on the weekly, we still look for buy scenarios. But now let's go to lower time frames to see what is happening there. So as you can see, there is reaction right now. If you pay attention for the daily trend line, this is the line which is interesting for us to look again for buy scenarios after retracement. Yeah? So after retracement, you can look for buy target what? Previous stops. Okay, so this is option for the swing trading. And if we want, we can also look for short entries to target this zone. Okay, so we have to wait for our 4-hour chart 1, 2, 3 here. Look to select target this, or we go to 1-hour chart and you see that price is now moving down. Of course, what we have to do is to wait for retracement, look for short 1, 2, 3, and then we can look for sell scenarios to target daily level. USD Swiss franc weekly perspective is giving us a possible range here. Price, of course, broke 36. Looks like a very nice down move. So here we are looking for retracement, ideally to the daily 36 CMA. No, I would be interested to sell this pair. Currently, support zone is here where price is making this reaction. So of course, ideally, we would like to see retracement, short scenarios, target that if in case if price breaks this. The next area of the long-term target is of course on the bottom, but the next area of the support for me, it will be here. So this will be next possible stop if price breaks that. Then we have also this zone more or less and the bottom. Okay, so now I would like to get that. And if we go to 4-hour chart, we see that price is slowly retracing, ideally to this point. If not, if price just bounce here, what you can do, lower time frames scenarios. Yes, if you like, you can wait for short scenarios target this. Yeah, but it will be like more like a day trading, not like a swing trading. For swing trading, we need to wait for retracement to this and then sell it. And USDN pushing down also on the weekly chart, as you can see. Of course, the goal is this bottom. For now, we also can draw this line, so this maybe will be big wedge. Right now, the momentum is telling us to sell. What we are looking for is to get this short again, daily 1 to 3, and then we'll look for continuation of this move. If we look for the support area on the daily chart, as you can see, price make reaction on that. It's very visible here, and if price breaks this, then next level I would say is down here somewhere around this zone. Okay, so this is next possible target. So what I would like to see, of course, again, bigger retracement to this level, okay, and then look for short entries here. Now, price already made this higher low on the 4-hour chart, so maybe we'll get clean situation and the retracement. So what you can do also, you can trade long scenarios to target this zone. On the 1-hour chart, price made this 1 to 3. So if it stays like that, however, one issue is that we will get Asian Open, yes. So I'm not a great fan of trading there, but if you get this, you can look for long scenarios, target the previous target 36 EMA with this trend line. So keep in mind that if you see that price will be pushing up, it's also good to look for long scenarios to target which level this zone. You can also wait for another 4-hour chart long 1 to 3 if happens, and then combinations with lower time frames to target that. Whenever price breaks this trend line on the daily chart, then we will get bigger retracements. But for now, for me, everything is telling to sell. Gold is interesting because it's still pushing up, so very powerful up move still. I was selling gold. I think it's not on the list because I was I don't remember if I showed you or not. I took bounce trade here directly on the top, and of course I could catch I catch this whole move, and then there was no option to look for possible long scenarios. Okay, now we see the price is going up, but at least from my perspective, not possible to catch it. There was also I took bounce here, but there was also classic entry on the 1-hour chart. Like I said, I don't remember if I shared this with you. Yes, but there was this. You see, 1 to 3 here, entry, stop loss. We also get this trend line, and then of course price. Two targets would be hit. Of course, it's around 900 points. Price dropped 200 sorry, 2,200. Bonus slot will be almost 1 to 1. Yeah. So this was the classic trade against the main direction. Okay. So now what is happening? No, difficult to jump in, at least from my perspective, because I need to get at least another daily long 1 to 3 here. It was not possible to jump, so I would wait for retracement long scenarios if we want to be more conservative. This is as you can see, those are our trend lines. So retracements, of course, whenever price breaks this line, we can try to aim this line. Okay, but now it's still a very powerful up move. It's still pushing. So if we go to daily chart, 4-hour chart, now we have to wait for retracement, and then we can look for intraday trading, 4-hour chart with the 50-minute long scenarios, or 4-hour chart with the 1-hour time frame, or on the 1-hour chart. If you are a scalper and day trader, you have this trend line, so retracement, yes, back to the 36 trend line. Whenever price starts to move up again, you can look for buy scenarios, target again previous stops. Okay, for me it's too late. At least I would wait for 4-hour chart retracement and longs, and to look for sells, I would at least have to wait for 4-hour chart weakness like it was here. Okay, then I would look for selling opportunities, because my goal will be daily trend line. So I don't try to catch those small moves here because it's too much time consuming. So I prefer to get higher probability trades than jumping here and there just to grab some pips. Okay, so guys, that's all about that. Of course, whenever I have more time, I will of course prepare the video about those results. And again, if you are interested more about this strategy, you can visit my one-on-one mentorship site. Link to this will be below the video, and here you can also find my free trading strategy. This is exactly swing trading strategy which I'm showing you with the results. So you see, I don't hide anything. You can just download and learn this if you like. And if you decide to join my mentorship program, I will teach you I will teach you strategies which I personally use, different styles. You can choose if you question, of course, what kind of the mentorship plan you will choose, but basically you will learn every strategy which I personally use and I also used in the past. We'll also plan together your trading idea, so you will learn how to make trading journal, trading journal, trading plan, and statistics to follow up technical aspect. And of course, I will show you how to work with your mindset and why this is the most important part in trading to achieve long-term success in trading. So if you have more questions, you can just scroll down, fill the form, and leave the message. Also, as a bonus, you will get access to the Nikos Training Academy materials together with my live trading room. So you will also get lifetime access to those trading materials. So guys, thanks a lot. Wish you all great Sunday, and we hear soon. Bye.